My dear students, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. You know that not only our country but also the whole world is now suffering or facing corona epidemic. You know that all the schools and classes are now closed. You are now at home and watching our classes on virtual platform. It is a very shocking matter for us because we don't see you for a long time. We are not having any class or any other classroom activities, but it is a fact. So you should attend our classes on virtual platform regularly and do the works as we suggest you. Today I will discuss you about a grammatical point. This is sentence. You know, Bangla we say sentence, bakko. In English, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. You know, every day we say something, we express our feelings, we say we go to school, we say I have taken my breakfast, we say I will go to school. We express our feelings through sentences. So we must learn what is sentence. Actually a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense of the speaker. Suppose we say we play cricket in the field. We play cricket in the field. It is a sentence because there are some words. We play cricket in the field. It is a sentence because it makes a complete sense that we play. What do we play? We play cricket. Where? In the field. Who? We. There are some elements in a sentence that first one is subject, verb, object. Who is subject, play verb, cricket object. To make a sentence, we need these elements which are subject, verb and object. And the others are extension. Extension means adverb. You can make other sentences that we go to school, we take exercise, we do our homework, I will play in the field, I will visit my friends. All these are sentences because they express our feelings. These sentences express our feelings. So it is clear now, I think it is clear to all of you what is sentence. You can say a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. You know that a single word also can be a sentence. That go, come, sit, stand. These single words are also sentences because they also makes a complete sense of the speaker. Okay. Now I am discussing about the classification of sentence. You know that sentences can be divided into two ways, on the basis of meaning and on the basis of structure. On the basis of meaning, we can classify sentences into five types. These are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamative sentence. On the basis of meaning, sentences are of these five kinds. The first one is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence narrates about something or any incident. Assertive sentence narrates about something or an incident. Look at the example that I go to school. It is an incident. What do? I go to school. I play cricket. I take my rise. The accident took place before my eyes. These are the description or narration of an incident. These are called assertive sentence. The next comes interrogative sentence, not interrogative. Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? In our everyday life, we ask someone, we ask any question to our friends, our classmates, our parents, our teachers about something. Our asking or what we ask to somebody is an interrogative sentence. Clear? An interrogative sentence is meant for asking for anything. Suppose, here is an example. Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? It is an asking. It is a question. So a question is an interrogative sentence. A question is an interrogative sentence. Do you play cricket? Do you go to school? Does he take exercise? Will you go to school tomorrow? Will you visit my home next week? There is your interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. You know, we sometimes give order, command. We sometimes make request or proposal. So, by the sentences by which we make request, command, order, proposal are called imperative sentence. Here I have written or given an example. Let us play cricket. Do you know the meaning of the word? Let us play cricket. Who can say? I think you know, let us play cricket means cholo amra cricket kheli. Ei je cholo amra cricket kheli. Let us go out, cholo baire jai. Let us do something for the country. Desher jonno kichu kori. This is a proposal. So a proposal is also an imperative sentence. Other sentences: come here, go to school, sit down, stand up, look at the blackboard, do not look down upon the poor, do not hate the poor. These are also imperative sentence. The next one, number 4, is optative sentence. You know that many cases we say prayer or we give blessing to others. We make wish to others. Suppose we say, may you be happy, may Allah bless you, may you live long. These are good wish or prayer. So, optative sentences are those sentences by which we refer a wish or a prayer. It's called an imperative. It's called an optative sentence. You notice that in every optative sentence generally it starts with may, then subject, then verb 1, then extension. May you be happy. You can make sentences in this way. May Allah bless you. May you live long. May you come round soon. May you be happy in life. In this way, you also can make optative sentence. The last item of sentences are exclamatory sentence. You know that in many times we express our certain feelings. We express our happiness. We express our sorrow. We express our anguish. We express our exclamation. To express these sentences, we use some certain expressions. These are called exclamatory sentence. In that case, we use how or what. How or what. What a good boy he is. Ki sundor chele she. What a good boy he is. What a nice picture it is. How beautiful the flower is. How beautiful the boy is. These sentences are called exclamatory sentences because they express our certain expression of our feelings, strong feelings. So, I think you have got a clear idea about sentence. You know, a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense of the speaker. Sentences are of 5 kinds: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamative sentence. You must write some examples by using the examples given by me, and you will show me when our classes will start. Physically start in the classroom. You will show me the sentences and examples. I hope you will not misuse or abuse your time. You will stick to your studies, and if Allah wishes, if the black clouds go away, you will be able to attend our classes and interact with your beloved teachers. We pray to Allah that the coronavirus, the corona epidemic go away very soon. Thank you, everybody.